Everything you can ever imagine. It's out there, within reach. The pictures are vivid, expansive, entertaining, and amazingly detailed. The sound is there too. It's in the content. It's in the streams and downloads. Sound as evocative, hilarious, immersive, and curious as the pictures themselves. We are seeing, but we could be hearing so much more. It's the great device deficit, the vast sound desert, where TVs, phones, and computers are designed for pixel and processing power, not sound. We are Sound United. We're here to deliver all the sound that's being left behind. Our global brands, our relentless innovation, our wide range of products, they're designed to deliver experiences like no other. With the iconic Bowers & Wilkins brand, the choice of Abbey Road Studios, Marantz and its unmatched modern musical luxury, Classe, dedicated to powering the experiences of the most discerning audio listeners, definitive technology home theater, crafted to the highest performance standards, Denon and its innovative range of industry-leading products, and Polk, a brand founded to bring great sound for all. This is best-in-class audio that does what only the most detailed, most immersive sound can. Release the spirit of the experience.